everyone. I'm Sister Libby, Principal of Nagle Vidhya Bhavan. Today is not just about showcasing our students' robotics projects, about understanding why robotics is so important for the next generation. Technology is changing the world at lightning speed. Robotics is at the heart of this change, from healthcare to space exploration.
I'm Rishi Somanjana.
Ashwina Enaya. We are from class 8.
I study in Nagle Vidhya Bhavan. So solar panels are usually stuck in one place. They do not cultivate maximum energy as the sun moves from east to west. To combat this and cultivate maximum energy, the solar panel must move with the sun. For this, we have made a sun tracking solar panel system.
It supports SDG 9 Industry Innovation and Infrastructure. It encourages innovation through low cost and electronic solutions. It supports STEM education by teaching students how to use sensors and microcontrollers for real world problems.
So we have made this with a solar panel, LDR sensors, servo motor, breadboard, 2 resistors and the Arduino board. So the solar panel converts light energy into mechanical energy. The LDRs sense where the light comes from. If the light is greater on the right LDR, then the solar panel moves to the right with the help of the servo motor, and vice versa with the left.
Hi, I'm Jeena. I'm the computer teacher of Nagle Vidhya Bhavan Kanjoor. We know that the future world is a world of robots. Robots are going to assist in our daily life. So we should prepare our children for the future by developing robotic things. As you all know, our school is providing robotics training for our children. We are using a platform called CyberSquare for this. It's a wonderful platform for our kids for improving their talent in science and technology. They can develop their problem-solving skills, critical thinking, innovation and creativity. It also helps improve teamwork and communication. Currently, our students are developing web pages, games and robotic cars.
By learning robotics, our students develop problem solving, creativity and teamwork skills that will help them succeed in any field. Here, we believe education should prepare children for life, not just for exams. We started our robotics partnership with the CyberSquare last year. Their classes have encouraged our students to think critically, adapt to change and embrace innovations. This year, our students are participating in tech talks and robotics competitions in multiple inter-school digital fest. I thank CyberSquare for their partnership, our teachers for their dedication and our students for their enthusiasm. Together, we are building a future-ready generation. Thank you.